Hi, I'm Kate, and I'm going to take you through one of my most favourite projects. It's the home of dear friends of mine, and we decided that it was time to infuse a little bit of Mediterranean and a little bit of casual seaside vibe into their life. Everywhere you look, it's all outlined by this beautiful blue trim that your eye follows the whole way through the house. So come, let's take a look. So pretty much everything you see in this house came from their previous home. They lived in a very modern apartment, very white on white. It had been renovated. They loved it, but it just wasn't them. When we moved here, we needed to make sure that all of those beautiful things they already had would work in this home. In this room, we've reversed the color scheme. In here, it makes sense because it's sort of more like a snug. It's like a late in the evening type place where you want to come, and it's a nice contrast to the white room going on over here. So this room, it's blue with the white trim, and it feels just different. One of the most transformative things we did in this space was paint the floors. These were cork, kind of orange really, traditional old cork floors. And they have a great acoustic quality to them, but they were a bit dark and they were a bit orange. So what we've done is we've painted them, and that just lifts and brightens the whole space. Now we're starting the journey to decide maybe we renovate the kitchen and maybe we even renovate the bathroom. But in the meantime, the fact that we've painted them all in the same color scheme and one that we absolutely love means really it doesn't matter when we do it. Two of my favorite things that I love doing are putting details into door handles and your light fittings, but not just the lampshades. We've used twisted hand twine, and we've even found an old Baker light fitting right at the top. Those things just make them feel like those lights have been there for so long, like they're not brand new. And then on the doors, you'll notice I've got my very favorite hand-done door handles. We've done these most amazing, beautiful linen drapes. And you could have chosen to have a blind, but we really didn't want to muck with all the trim and lovely details of the window that we've got. So we chose to hang them on the outside, hang them high, and they run all the way from right to left. So I really hope you'll go from this video to the photos of this project and scan through and see what this room looked like beforehand, because that is where you see the true transformation. What we did in here is we painted all the walls one color, and we didn't pick out the dado rail. And what that's done is make the ceiling feel even higher. We've done half sea fog on the walls, and then again, our wonderful blue trim. So if you want to live life in a home you love every day, give me a call. I'd love to help.